Sa barangay Kaputuman, jersey number 1, Navarro, against jersey number 99. 15 on the shot clock, jersey number 14, 12-second shot clock, jersey number 8, with the jumper is good. Nice move. There's a foul with jersey number 2. That is first foul, warning for penalty. Number 0, Honda. On the run, attack the leader. He can pass it. Jersey number 3, wide open for 3. Yes, David Martin on the board. The Narciso, jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 14 to jersey number 1, Lotano. Attack the defense on the run. Leads it up. Not shot from the last body on the board. On jersey number 8 to jersey number 2. Into the jumper is good. Good rebound by jersey number 3 of this. Pass to Santiago. Back to Ortiz, jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, corner pass. Out of bounds, ball, substitution. 16-second shot clock, 16 seconds to shoot. Baseline rebound, back to jersey number 6, corner pass to jersey number 9, hesitate goal. After goal, penalty, masyado malakas. Ito na jersey number 9, to jersey number 8, jersey number 4, is the rule. Jersey number 99, after pass to jersey number 9, it's the good. 3 minutes and 25 seconds to play. Jersey number 9, Cruz, pass to jersey number 14, 15 on the shot clock. Back to jersey number 14, against jersey number 6, attack the defense, moves it up, it's the good. Nice defense by jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 99, Gomez on the run. Corner pass to jersey number 9, wide open for 3. Body on the ball. Score 16-7, 9.8. There's number 0, Orta. Attack on the defense now as jersey number 8. Picks it by Sugar. Into the jersey number 9, pass to jersey number 99, Gomez. 6-second ball, it's the good. Body on the rebound, making a ball on jersey number 6, Orta. Benar, saya bisa kalaman bagi cuba next defense dito next up. Dito step, jersey number 6, Trinidad. Pass to Gomez, jersey number 99, 7 to play. A quick cross, jersey number 99. Jersey number 99. Napakabigyan. Jersey number 99, pass to jersey number 14. Jersey foul, jersey number 6. That is first foul, second team foul, substitution. Third free foul, para sa barangay Kaputuman. Substitution. Second shot clock, pass to jersey number 9, back to jersey number 14, right over for 3. Time remaining para sa ating first quarter, score 20-10, 10-point lead para sa barangay Kaputuman. Jersey number 9, pass to jersey number 14. Easy pass to jersey number 8. Susubukan ang defense to jersey number 3. Makes it back. Jersey number 3. Then on the shot clock. Out of bounds, save ball. 10-second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 14, Zidane Play, looking for the other now, pass jersey number 8. 6-second shot clock, lock 3. Number 9, pass jersey number 9.